Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
We will connect an LLM API to Creature Chat for dynamic conversations and character behavior. Begin by selecting an LLM provider that supports low latency and high tokens per request. Next, create API keys and store them in environment variables or in a secrets manager for secure storage. Validate your plan with a simple prompt and check the return JSON for structure and safety. Finally, design a basic pipeline to send user messages, receive model replies, and log interactions for debugging. Design prompts that include role, tone, and constraints to create a consistent creature voice for users. Use a system message at the start of each session to set persona, safety rules, and behavioral limits for the model. Include context history of the most recent 8 messages so the LLM can maintain conversation state and avoid contradictions. Keep prompts concise and explicit, and prefer examples when teaching behavior. Test tone variations and measure user reactions to refine prompt templates and persona details. Implement moderation, checks on both input and output to block unsafe or disallowed content before presenting it to users. Add a content filter or a lightweight classifier that flags profanity, hate, and personal data leakage for review. Rate limit requests, cache frequent responses, and batch non-critical calls to control costs and maintain low latency. Deploy with observability. Monitor latency, error rates, and user feedback to iterate on prompts and safety rules after launch. Plan rollback procedures and user reporting for rapid issue mitigation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.